Hi class, today I'm going to show you some different ways to represent fractions to help it be a little easier for you to order them. Okay, so I've had some fractions up here. We have 6/3, 1 and 4/6, and 1 and 1/2. All right, so I'm going to model these to help us figure out the order that they should go in. So first I'm going to do 6/3. So do 3 parts. Okay. I'll need another one for 3. All right, so 6/3, that means I need 6 of these colored. So that would be all of them, which is equal to 2. All right, now let's do the middle one. We have 1 whole and 4/6 left over. So I know that it's going to be divided into 6, not thirds, because that's what my denominator is. So I'm going to do 6. And I know I already have 1 whole colored, so I can go right ahead and color that in. Okay, so our next one is at a 6 again. So I'm doing a second one because I have 1 whole. Now I have to represent the 4/6s. So I'm going to color in 4 of these to represent. So is it equivalent? No, because I don't have 2 full bars colored. I have 1 and 2/3 colored. So if I want to make it equivalent, 4/6 is equivalent to 2/3, because if I put this, oops, if I move it to match, it lines up perfectly. So 2 of these equals 1 of those. So I have 1/3 or 2/6 left. So this gives me only 1 whole and 2/3 left. So almost 2, but not quite. So if I was ordering these two fractions, just these two, I'll get this one going in 1 minute. But if I were to just order these two, I know that this one is bigger than this one. Okay, so 1 and 1/2. Now I could put it into 2 parts, and I'll show you what that looks like. I could do same one, and I know I have 1 full one, and it's 2 parts. Oops, let's do green. So that's my full one. So all these 3 have in common the fact that they are 3, they all have 1 whole. So our next one, if we did 1/2, oops, so we have 1 and 1/2, we see that it is, when we move it up, it is equivalent to 3/6. So I know that this one, 1 and 4/6, is bigger than 1 and 1/2. So if I were to order these from smallest to biggest, 1 and 1/2 is my smallest, because this one has a 1 more third than this one does. So I would order these, and I didn't have to do any change or anything to the numbers. I just simply represented them as a model, and I could see right away which one is the biggest, second biggest, and smallest. Okay, so we're going to go, least to greatest, or least one is 1 and 1/3, 1/2. Our next biggest one is 1 and 4/6. And our biggest one is 6/3. So this is an easy way of figuring out how to order mixed numbers with improper fractions without having to do any conversions, just simply making models. Okay, I hope this helped.